What's up, everybody? This is Jeff and Ace with Silver Squad. Let's go. And today, guys, we're going to do a $500 20 penny box copper penny sort. So what we're doing is we're actually going to be sorting out the copper from the non-copper pennies using this little device here, which is called the Ryedale Coin Sorter. So if you've never seen it before, basically it's kind of spendy. I don't remember exactly how much it costs. Spendy. Yeah, it was like $400 to $600 somewhere in there. What it does is utilizing this sensor right here, it actually checks the metal makeup of the coin. I don't know if it uses electromagnetic sensor. Yeah. Behind here, basically there's a sample coin that's in here. That sample coin is a copper coin. And so what happens is as the pennies come down through the chute, they go through past the sensor. If it matches your sample coin, then it falls straight down. If it does not match your sample coin, it shoots it off to the right.
Kicks it out.
Yeah. One on the left, that's going to be your copper coins, and then one on the right, which is all going to be your zinc coins. As you can see, we've got penny boxes all over the place over here. These are already pre-sorted copper pennies, so that's why they're all taped up and it's really heavy to hold this box. All of these penny boxes here, all those there, all those down there, all these here, all the ones that we're going to search. As you can see, they are opened to verify that they are circulated pennies and not new ones. And so that's what we went ahead and did ahead of time. We're going to go ahead and start feeding this thing. We will bring it right back in as soon as we get going. Appreciate it. All right, everybody. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and time and basically see how long this is going to take to sort $500 worth of pennies using the Ryedale Coin Sorter. I have to admit, this thing sorts really, really, really fast. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up the camera at a good angle to where you can see it kind of working and the buckets that are underneath. And we're going to start the timer as soon as we start. We're going to end it as soon as we stop. We're going to divide it up, figure out how long it took per box, show you the result at the end. This box on the right, I'm assuming is going to get very, very heavy.
It's gonna be super heavy
from all those zinc pennies. So
we get a lot of copper.
That would be awesome. That'd be super awesome.
And that will loop us into our next video.
Right. So the next video, guys, you're not going to want to miss it. Episode number 2 of this series is going to be us going through those pennies, those copper pennies, looking for varieties. Of course,
Indian heads.
Indian heads.
Oh, if we got some Indian heads,
that'd be awesome.
Oh, flying eagles.
Oh my God.
Flying eagle in there.
We're going to look through all of it. We're going to look for that 55 DDO. You know, that penny is worth a ton of money. So we're going to look for that one, of course. And then, of course, you know, it's just fun to stack copper. So yeah, those 2 boxes over there are completely stacked full of copper.
Oh,
yeah. So we stack copper. You should be stacking copper. You should be stacking silver. You should be stacking gold. If you're not, what are you doing? Woo! Silver Squad, baby. Here we go. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go. 20 boxes, $500 worth of pennies, 20 boxes. It's go time. So far, there's the timer. It's like a little over 6 minutes and 20 seconds around. Now, mind you, we're feeding this thing very, very fast, like very fast. So the fact that and you can see how fast it's sorted. I mean, that's quick. That's way quicker than I can do it, I can tell you that much. Kind of gives you an idea on how fast this Ryedale Coin Sorter will go, which is extremely fast. Yeah, it's keeping up with us. Extremely fast. So, like, if you can sit there and go, copper, not, no, yes, copper, no, yes. Then you might be faster than the Ryedale, but efficient way to do it. Oh, I see a weedy. We're good. That's the first time I've ever seen this thing back up. Let me pause it. Yep. 7 minutes. 7 minutes and 58 seconds. I have never seen this thing back up. We got backed up just a hair. We probably fed it a little too fast. It was hungry. We were jamming up quite a bit there, as you guys can probably see earlier. I was kind of flabbergasted at it, really, because we've ran so many pennies through this thing and not had that issue. And so I was a little confused as to what was going on. I did a little bit of research and come to find out there's actually, they call it an SMP, and it's a section of a chute for this penny chute here that needed to be lubricated about once every $300 worth of sorting. And I didn't realize that, I didn't know that. Hopefully that was the issue. We just went ahead and lubricated it. It's spinning way freer now than it was before. So we're gonna go ahead and get the timer going again.
Timer.
And start feeding this thing. So here we go.
Ready.
Let's do it.
All right, 3, 2, 1, here we go.
All right, I'm down one box.
I got 2 more rolls left after this one.
We might have more jamming down the road because we got to re-lube it because we're doing $500 worth.
Yeah,
It says you're supposed to lube it every 300.
That's
So-
a lot of roll. The copper bucket's filling up pretty good.
It is. I can tell you one thing. I fed this thing by myself, and I could barely keep up with it. Just feeding it, I could barely keep up with it.
It's hungry.
I got a 2009 under there too.
You do too?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
survival.
That's a lot of copper in that.
Yeah, that is
Oh.
a huge amount of copper. You got another 09.
Another 09 ender.
What, is that a whole roll of 09s?
No. Yeah, see those two?
Yeah, there's 2 of them that are jammed up.
Yep, because they're doubled. And they're doubled because of goo. They're literally stuck together.
They're stuck together.
Yeah, that's what I was
Stuck
saying.
together.
Doubled up pennies. That's what happens sometimes. I mean, your coin sorter, I mean, it's not your coin sorter's fault, right? It's that stuff right
There
there.
you go. I just
That-
pried it apart.
That gummy
There
crap.
was 2 pennies there.
That gummy crap. Right in the trash. Oh. Oh. Pause the timer.
Pause timer.
Got a little bit of a backup here.
One out of there.
It backs up again here soon.
So it's time to back it up, back it up.
Time to lube it up. A bit of scale. This thing has already chewed through 400 rolls. So guys, let me just show you a little quick update. We're probably like, what? There's 4 empty boxes there. There's 4 empty boxes there. That's how much Ace has got left in his 5th box. And that's how much I've got left in my 5th box. So we're about 10 boxes in. And that's the clock so far, about an hour and 16 minutes-ish. Now, mind you, we had a lot of problems with the, a couple of things on this thing. We're not done yet, of course. I'm just giving you kind of like a mid-cap update. Right there, you can see it says slide to replace coin. That is your sample coin. And right behind there, it started getting clogged quite a bit. And then so basically there's a part that's right there at the beginning of that chute right there that you have to lube up about every 300 or so dollars worth of coins. We didn't know that, so we fixed that. And then of course we've had a couple that gets caught in here, like when you have like a really thin penny and then a regular penny that goes on top of it. It got stuck a couple of times. You can't blame the machine for that. You know, obviously when you have somebody that went and literally grinded a penny down to like a third of its normal size, I mean, you can't prepare for it. For example, here's one right here. So as you can see, that thing is like, it's not even focusing on it because it's super thin. Anyway, that got stuck in there. Here is our copper bin so far. Doesn't look like a lot, but trust me, that actually is quite a bit. And then there's our zinc. So you can see just how much more zinc there is than copper so far. But the reason why I bring you in and show you all this right now is because turns out my camera, the one I'm recording on right now, battery died. I didn't know when it died. I kept on turning it back on. I think it died probably multiple times in a row and I just didn't know it. So therefore, I'm not gonna make you guys basically wait through all this coin sorting. We're gonna go ahead and bring you back in at the end to do a wrap up once we're finished. We got some more boxes to do. I got 2 more up there. The Ace looks like he doesn't have any up on the desk, but he's got those down there. And I've got those right there. We still have a little bit more to go. Boom! Peace! Hey Ace. As you guys can see, there is light outside.
Oh.
And that's because we're done. We are officially done.
What's this?
That is an empty zinc tote because they're all boxed up right there. So as you can see, every single one of these, as it's labeled, is full of zinc. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16. The top one there is 16. The one on the right is like 1/5 full, so not even fully full. 16 and 1/5 of a box full of zinc. 3 empty boxes, which translates to about 3 boxes worth of copper. That thing is heavy. That is what we did is we went ahead and ran all the copper again through the Ryedale Coin Sorter, so that way we can make sure that we're like 99.5% sure that all that is copper. I don't think we dropped anything in there. I'm pretty darn certain it's 100% copper. It was quite a while. Do you have your clock still? Don't tell me that you turned it. Turned it off? No, he did not turn it off. That is 3 hours, 1 minute, 53 seconds, and 38 milliseconds. That's how long it took. This is the end of episode 1, guys. Yeah, it's late. I'm tired. I'm sure he's tired.
My nose is cold.
It's very cold out here. We will see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for hanging out with us. Peace out as always. Love ya.
Love you too.
Silver Squad, woo!